Ninjani molweni avuxeni thovelanda. Guys, today we are here with assignment number 2 of the CSL2601 2024, and then there is this one which talking about must not exceed more than 1,500 words. Then there's a scenario here which talks about whatever which you need to read for yourself. Some of us, we are pro, we don't read. So now we have two questions here, which is question 1 and question 2. For in this video, I will start with question number 1, then I will explain question number 2. So let's start without wasting our time. To provide context, define South African constitutional law in your own words, with references to provisions of the Constitution, case law, and examples. Explain South African constitutional law. So in this question for 10 marks, you'll be explaining what is South African constitutional law based on the Constitution, case law, and other examples also, which can be journal articles, right? So let's start with this question and get into the question, challenge this question very fast. Before we answer, please bear on this rule. Firstly, I'm Thembiso Munyai, and this video contains a well-researched educational information. Unfortunately, we cannot share all information public. This is in line with the African indigenous law of nothing for Mahara. The full videos are available on my channel for 100 Rand fee monthly. 100 fee allows you to watch all assignments videos. Once you pay our fee, it means you are eligible to request documents used in this video and other videos as well. I do not write assignment or portfolio for anyone. Now on the other side, I've already written question number 1, which I'll be doing things in a way that you'll be seeing. When you are, firstly, let's just say, firstly, I enjoyed this, the Constitution, how it's defined here. And I enjoyed when they say that South African have a written constitution that is adopted in 1996, and the way they defined the constitution here. Let me just say this one. I love this one as well. This is how we should start our thing, by saying that South African constitutional law is based on a written constitution which was adopted in 1996. Then we define the constitution. This one, let's just delete this one. I said a constitution is a very long document which sets out the structure and functions of government. It also sets out the standard that will have to be used to protect the individual against any abuse of power by the state. But because we have here, we have to put the reference. You know that you can't write anything without a reference. Then it is very clear that we have to be putting the reference. Then the reference, since we have used the ILW, it means that we will come and copy here the ILW reference. Then we'll come here and apply this reference, which is just Jacobs A. Ferreira Introduction to Only Study Guide for ILW UNISA. Then we'll just say, because this one was in italics, we just say we'll put it in italics. Then this one we change to ILW 1501. Then we put, you come here, we put page number, which is 143. Then we put the full stop. Then we have put the full the footnotes, because here we still put another footnote. Again, we'll just come here and say that we'll just come and say ILW 1501, and then we said 143, and we'll put a full stop. And yeah, we have started, we are going, guys. Then secondly, we visit the Constitution of South Africa 1996, because there's a section which we must approach, which is I think that is making more sense to me. Yes. You can see that Section 1 mandated the democratic state of South Africa, and then number 2 mandated the supremacy of the Constitution. Therefore, when we write, we must state it clear that Section 1 and 2 of the Constitution mandated the democratic state and constitutional democracy. Then we put a footnote, which is the Constitution. Then we are moving. You can see how we are writing, we're doing everything 100%. Even here, there's a beautiful word which I will with, talking about the constitutionalism. Then it's very important for you to take it. Then we come and say constitution, introduce constitutionalism, which means that our countries run according to the constitution, which is supreme law of land. Therefore, legislation may be challenged in terms of constitution in court and changed or removed if it is found to be inconsistent with the constitution. And if we come to the constitution, this is 172, when deciding constitutional matters must declare inconsistent. Therefore, it's 172. Therefore, it's very much important that you put a reference, then you come and set section 172. Is it 172 or 171? Yeah, 172. No, one. I believe it's A. Just say A and B. Of Constitution. Then we are going forward, guys, answering this assignment. Then you come and read this important document, which said that the importance of the constitutional democracy is that it derived from founding value of principle of legality, which requires that the functionary may exercise public power lawfully. People in position, a useful government decision are invalid and void and not voidable, and as an objective legal matter do not exist. So this document is a document which you can come and use it. Then based on that article, you'll come and say that democracy in South Africa derived from the principle of legality, which requires the public functionaries may only exercise public power lawfully. This means that the people in positions of authority must exercise their power within a constraining framework of public norms. Unlawful government decisions are invalid and void and not voidable, and as objective legal matter do not exist. I have also bolded the words that are very useful: constitutional supremacy, constitutionalism, democracy, principle of legality. Remember, you are writing your own assignment. You are not writing the same things as memorandum. Therefore, if you read the memorandum, you may find that I'm going astray or not in line with the memorandum. This is because you're writing in your own words, explaining the way you think of South African constitutional law. So this is the way you must write rather than focusing on the memorandum. You must never rely on memorandum. You must go the way I'm going. Don't forget, if you want to continue with us on this assignment, you must pay the channel fee for 100 Rand monthly, which will allow you to watch all our videos. Then you will continue with us. Then you will be eligible to request document or used in this video or other videos as well. So pay the monthly fee, then you continue with us on this video. Those who manage to pay 100 fee for all videos of assignments, well, let's continue. And those that are unable, well, goodbye for now. We'll meet again. Then you